Good morning to one and all present here. Today we are going to see a case study on a development of flexible manufacturing system using a Pullman T100 vice casting component. In this case study, they have given that nowadays the future challenges in industrial activity is the ability of speed and precision to produce the product and provide a service in wide range of demands which are always want to be customized. Here it is given that nowadays we are making a product or producing a product with the customized customer need in the customized format. So this is often as an industrial problem, especially they have associated with the price and the speed of the market, which mean a delivery competition. In this, by this problem, they have implemented a flexible manufacturing system into their system, so to reduce the price and speed of the product making by using the FMS. Here they are given that introduction as increasing a global competition as a world manufacturing environment which gleans a vast product variety, reduced manufacturing lead times, increased quality standards and competitive costs. Simultaneously, by rising with the globalization, these manufacturing environments to get success by implementing the FMS into their system. They have taken the literature survey that FMS, a group of several machines or a process dedicated to produce a group of objects that common which are ability to flexible of a similar group objects like a group technology or a part families by making the similar product or the similar group of objects into a single process and producing the component is called an FMS. Given here is it called flexible because it has good flexibility in machine capability. The sequence are alternative in process, product, production and its development. Here, the considerations of FMS as a production system is flexibilities, ability and the characteristics as well as the production system for product variations. Flexibility is the foundation and concept which used in the design of modern automated manufacturing system as well as we call it as FMS. Flexibility can be defined as the collections of manufacturing system characters that support challenge in the activity or the production capabilities. In recent times, FMS emerged as a powerful technology to meet the continuous changing customer or the product demand, increase in the performance of FMS, better returns of integrations of shop floor activities such as the machines or the vehicle scheduling. Here, the several flexibilities can be taken over in the industry by implementing the FMS into their system. Here they are given some of the flexibilities in after implementations their FMS system. Machine flexibility, where the ability of machine to take the necessary changes in producing number of types or the components available. Sequence flexibility, if a more number of production assembly components is there, it will select the flexible sequence. Here they are given is ability to handle the production or the assembly through an alternate route and the ability to handle or stopping an activity. Process flexibility, likewise the product flexibility, production flexibility, development flexibility. These are the flexibilities which are being used while we implementing the FMS into the any manufacturing industries so that we get benefited by the reducing the time and the speed of the work. Here a part of varieties is mentioned here is transfer line, machine, special machines in between they are interconnected with the flexible manufacturing system and then the manufacturing cell standalone NC. If it is called the computer integrated manufacturing system. If we take this, we can get a benefit of the increasing the volume of parts and also the increasing of the flexibility. As a result, here the problem they have identified by using this case study is the development of FMS using a Pullman T100 vice through comparing process method between conventional and FMS for casting components. Here they are using conventional methods with the help of a milling machine and the drilling machine, also the moving jaws, fish jaws and then horizontal CNC machining center. As a result of this case study, the production time length is determined with the assumed to meet demand of 200 pairs of Pullman T100 vice each month. So simplify the table of activity, the FMS operations and production schedule can be increased, and continue to 2 cycles to settle the total time method. The conclusion is that data processing can be concluded as the FMS method compared to conventional method. By comparing to the conventional method, by implementing these FMS into their system, they have 22 times faster than the conventional method, and material handling time is 5.4 times 1.4 times faster than the first cycle of production. Reduced contact with the operator even after the material are ready. FMS can run automatically. So on success of implementing the FMS into their system, their time has been reduced, and then their reduced with the operator, and the speed of the delivery has been improved. Thank you.